Hi guys, so here I am with a review of Indulge Essential 24 Karat Rose Gold Oil. As you all have requested me to share its review and also to tell you how to apply this on your face. So let's begin. So before telling you about the application, I would like you all to know this product. Like, what is this? Why there is so much hype about this rose gold oil, and why I am saying, it just lifts up my makeup game. What is this? You should know your products before using it. So let me just introduce you all to the rose gold oil first. So this product is 100% natural in the number one case. Secondly, it is organic. Third, it does not have any synthetics, any fillers, or anything like that which is artificially added in it. Whatever the fragrance that this product has is because of the natural ingredients that is present in this product. So there is no artificial fragrance also. Now, secondly, we all are saying again and again, this is rose gold infused with gold. So I just want you all to see first. Can you all see the gold flakes? These are the real gold flakes that is infused in this oil. Now, why? What will happen if this have if this has gold flakes? Now I'll tell you what. These gold flakes along with this oil, when you apply this on your face, they get absorbed in your skin and they will make your skin glow naturally. Your skin will look more plumpy. Your skin will look more naturally glowing, and it will leave your skin soft and supple. So whatever the glow that your face will have after applying this will look natural, and it is going to heal your face naturally if you are going to apply this every day. Now, before moving on to its application, I want you all to understand the ingredients of this product, right? So the base of this oil is made up of pumpkin seeds. It is made up of pumpkin seeds, and pumpkin seeds, what do? They regenerate tissues, so your skin will heal itself and it will stay glowy, it will stay youthful, and it will glow. If the skin is healthy, it is definitely going to glow. Secondly, it also has zinc and vitamin C. You all know the importance of vitamin C. So what does vitamin C do? It tightens your skin. So when you apply this, it has vitamin C, it has the base of pumpkin seeds, it is enriched with gold flakes, it has antioxidants, so many things together in this one wonder oil. So when you apply this on your face regularly, you can apply this as a moisturizer. I'm not talking about makeup here, I'm just letting you know how you can apply this. You can apply this as a moisturizer to your face every day. What will happen when you will apply this every day? It is definitely going to reduce your hyperpigmentation if you have any. Secondly, it is going to make your skin soft, supple, and glow naturally. I think that is enough reason why you all should use it. Now, if I talk about makeup, what does do? This acts as a primer to your face. So when you apply this on your face before your foundation application, it acts as a primer to your face and it prepares your skin to get the makeup, right? So when you apply this on your face, it will make your skin look soft, and then the foundation application becomes easy because the base where you are applying your foundation is soft, is supple. That means your foundation will glide over it and it will be blended easily. Secondly, you can also mix this with your foundation. If you are using a full coverage foundation which dry out very fast, very quickly, you can add 3 to 4 drops of this into your foundation and then apply it on your face. Blending will become easy. Number 3, you can apply this on your lips also before your lipstick application. So nowadays we all are using matte lipsticks, you all know that, right? And those matte lipsticks have one tone that they're super pigmented, I know that, but somewhere वो हमारे lips को बहुत dry out कर देती हैं और फिर उसके बाद we all get chapped lips, right? So what you have to do is इसके सिर्फ 2-3 ड्रॉप्स लीजिए और उसको अपने लिप्स पे लगा लीजिए लिपस्टिक एप्लीकेशन से पहले, एंड यू विल सी द लिपस्टिक एप्लीकेशन will become so smooth and your lips will not get cracked or chapped. Now I'm going to show you how do I apply this, right? So I take this like this, few drops over my cheeks, forehead, here, and then I'm good to go. So I'm going to massage it here. Everywhere. You should cover each and every area of your face if you are using this oil, even onto the lids of your eyes, under your eyes, and then push it into your skin like you need to push the product because it's like a heat. It needs to get inside. Now after 5-7 minutes I'm going to use my foundation. After applying this, now I'll show you how to hydrate your lips also with this. Just take a drop, it is fine. Like 1 drop is more than enough for your lips. Now after applying, leave your skin for 10-15 minutes and let it relax. Let it get prepared for your makeup, and if you're not doing makeup, let it heal. So this was my honest review about Indulge Essential Rose Gold Oil. I just love this oil and I feel that this oil take my makeup game one step up. I would suggest you to try this out and do let me know how it worked for you. Many of you were asking me from where you can buy, so it is available on Nykaa, and I have linked the product from the Nykaa website in my bio. You can just directly go to my bio, click that link, it will take you to this product and you can buy from there. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.